Good morning from Uruguay and Colonia del Sacramento. Yesterday I flew from Puerto Iguazu to Buenos Aires and took the ferry over to Colonia del Sacramento. Today I have a full day exploring the old city, which also is a UNESCO World Heritage site. But before, I want to show you my amazing room. I'm staying at Hotel Riviera. And I live in this cozy little treehouse, one could say. You walk up these steps, get a lovely view over the city, and yeah, I really like this room. The first stop for today will be the lighthouse, which we're going to hike up to see a view over the city. So let's head out there. As you can see, there's been a change in climate. I am fully kitted out in winter attire. Here it is late autumn. The leaves are falling down and it's beginning to become winter here, which is very unusual for me as this is the European summer. I'm walking the streets towards the lighthouse and it's such a calm and unique place. It's very small and well, it's early in the morning, so there are not a lot of people around, which is nice. You can also find lots of old cars around here, like this one, and yeah, just this town is filled with cozy streets and beautiful houses and flowers, so yeah, it's a really picturesque place. So behind me here you can see the old city gate, which was built by the Portuguese governor in 1745. It also divides the city between the new city, which is over there, and the old, which is over here. And it's also here that the UNESCO World Heritage site starts. So the El Faro lighthouse was built in 1857 and the entrance fee is 60 Argentinian or 30 Uruguayan pesos. So yeah, and there are two different platforms that you can hike up to see the view. So to get to this, we have to take this ladder. So yeah, we'll see how the view is from up there. Down to the harbor now, and I'm so pleasantly surprised about this place. It's such a calm and relaxing atmosphere and very beautiful. So yeah, and now it's starting to warm up, so the jacket has come off. So yeah, we're continuing exploring. So in Uruguay, but also in Argentina, you will see people holding these mugs with tea, and it's actually the traditional drink called mate, and yeah, you have to buy the mug and then it's very, very strong tea. So if you want to try something traditional in Uruguay, you should try the mate tea. And also it's lunchtime now, and in Uruguay you can find a lot of international food, actually, specifically Southern European, so a lot of Spanish food, Portuguese food, and so on, just because, you know, it's been a colony and yeah, they brought the food from there. So that's why there's a lot of international food around. But we're going to head to a Turkish spot, actually. So yeah, let's head to lunch. seems that the museum is closed. So yeah, I'm going to continue the day with walking around the little town. But I wanted to end the video here. And yeah, I really recommend to visit Colonia del Sacramento. And it's also possible to do it as a day trip from Buenos Aires to escape the crazy city. But yeah, and you get to see a new country. And yeah, what I've seen of Uruguay I really like. Tomorrow I head back to Buenos Aires for a quick day exploring there. So I'll see you next time.